What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Auntie TT back again with another wig review, and in this video we're gonna be reviewing the Bobbi Boss Zendaya Bang wig. I purchased this Bobbi Boss wig in the color 3T460BLU. I did went ahead and recurl the bottom of the wig because I just hated how it came, so I put my own pizzazz and spin on it, so that's why it looks different than the part that came with the wig. Speaking of curling the wig, it is heat safe up to 400 degrees, but I curled my synthetic wigs at 270 so that they don't melt. I just found that it worked out better that way for me. This wig came only with adjustable straps and no combs, like absolutely none. Pause, stop, wait a minute. Before I get into the video, if you haven't subscribed, can you please go ahead and subscribe? And as a reminder, I'm your favorite Auntie TT, and I do hair, makeup, beauty, and lifestyle videos. If this is something you think you might be interested in, go ahead and subscribe. What you gotta lose? You ain't gotta lose nothing. This wig is big head friendly and didn't shed much at all. Leave a comment down below if you think this curl looks good on me. I was still iffy about it, but hey, I made it work. But I need to know what you guys think. Also, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I usually do styles of how I wear the wig and what outfits I wear with them, and just give some outfit ideas of how to wear the wig out in public. I didn't have anything bad to say about the wig. I really love the wig. I really love the color. I just don't know where I'm wearing it to, but it's cute though. It's really cute. If you made it to the end of the video, I would just like to say a bit of congratulations because you are the real MVP for staying tuned to the end of this video. And thank you for watching. Again, I'll be here next week, Wednesday, with another wig review. Stay tuned and thank you for watching my videos. Bye now.